Hello everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision. We are very happy to announce our first free workshop of this year 2025. And in order to get more details and in order to attend this workshop, first you need to have a account with our website. So you can log into our ksrdatavision.com, and if you're a first time user, please go to the sign up and you'll be asked to enter your phone number, email address. It's completely free. You can get that signed up, and once you have signed up, you can log in with your account. And here I'll show you a sample account that we have. And once you log in, you will be taken into our main dashboard. So here, if you log into our dashboard, you can go to the explore courses, and in the explore course you can see there is a tab called workshop. And we are very happy to announce, for the first time we are going to introduce DevOps along with engineers, how you can deploy your pipelines or the project into a production. So whether you're a Java developer, you're a Python developer, you're a UI developer, you're a data engineer, data scientist, data analyst, whoever you are, once we build a project, it is always necessary to go and deploy that project into the production. For that, we have come across a 2-day workshop that you will have. And in order to get that, please go to the workshop, and there is a 2-day hands-on workshop that you will see here. Please click this, and this is the workshop that we are going to organize on 18th and 19th, that is 1 week from now, and it is completely free. Here what we will be doing here is, the workshop is data ops. So operational side, when I say operational side, once you build a project, how are we going to deploy this into a production environment? So guys who are listening for the first time, in IT, any project you build, you'll have 3 environments. One is like where you develop your code, and one is like UAT phase where your users testing will happen, and finally the live application where all the users will be using will be production environment. So every application will has to go through these 3 environments, and that is where now guys who already know how to build a project, any project, it could be reporting or it could be pipeline or it could be ETL or it could be Java. Once we build the project, it is necessary to go and do a deployment. And nowadays every company is expecting that you should also have an additional knowledge of operational side. So with that, this workshop is a 2-day workshop that we are going to organize on data ops. And the title itself says that when a data engineer meets a DevOps engineer. So there are 2 people. One people are like a data engineer who are actually building the end-to-end data projects, and the other set of people who are making sure that this project is pushed into the production. Now when I say it is pushed into the production, it is a series of steps and sequential steps that will be run. Now when both meet is what? One completed project. So if you are a data engineer, this will be a right opportunity for you, where you will know how to deploy your pipelines into your production. And if you are any other role, like let's say you are a Java developer, you are any other developer, you will still get a fair idea how you can deploy this into your production. So this is a very good opportunity for you all to get your hands on. So this workshop will be completely free workshop, 18th and 19th, and we will be attaching a Google form in this video's description where you can go and register. So it's like first come first serve. So please register as soon as you see this video. This will definitely help you to get some good understanding about end-to-end project. So once you build the project, how it can be deployed into the production, it will help you. Now when I say DevOps, so DevOps, any application if you want to productionize it, the operational team is called DevOps team. But what is a new term called data ops? So any project that you're working with data, like the data movement, data pipelines, where the data has to be moved to a production environment, we call it as data ops. So this workshop is completely on data ops. So please attend and get benefited. And apart from that, we also want you to tell is, so we are also going to start a new course on DevOps. So we have my own colleague Sean, so is working in the IT industry with DevOps experience for more than 14 years. So is an expert in DevOps with the multi-cloud. So he'll be taking a new batch for us, so which will be starting towards the end of this month. So before that, please attend this workshop. This workshop is completely free, which will definitely benefit your knowledge, which you will have a end-to-end experience, like how you can deploy your pipelines into your production. So in order to enroll, please go and enroll here. And once you enroll it, it will be taking you to the access now and you will be shown here. You can also go to the my course. You will be able to log into this, and we don't have any class as of now, but as and then we start the class, which will happen on next Saturday 18th morning 8 o'clock, you will be able to see the course. So it's completely free, so please make use of it. So with that, we'll come with more of workshops. So this is the first workshop that what we have for this year. So every month we'll be organizing free workshops, so please make use of it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and please enroll for this workshop. Thank you.